The intake tube connects over the air filter box to the carburetor intake. The rubber tube is connected by clamps on both ends. Over time, the tube can harden and crack. This can allow unfiltered, dirty air into the carburetor and engine. Replacing the intake tube is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Soja.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the intake tube from the air filter box and the carburetor inlet. With the clamps loosened, now I can pull the tube away from the engine. Now I can begin installing the new intake tube. I'll transfer the clamps from the old tube to the new. I also need to transfer over the diffuser. The diffuser needs to be aligned with the intake base, so I'll install it to the base instead of inserting it back into the tube. The diffuser snaps into the intake, and now I can slide the tube over the intake and the air filter box. And I'll secure the tube with the clamps. And that's how easy it is to replace the intake tube on your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.